So starting out my freshman year, we had a pretty small pool, a good-sized team. We had early mornings, late nights. We come to find out that we are no longer going to have a pool to practice at.
So for this project, we demolished all of that and we built a 50-meter pool, and we built 2 new buildings. One has the locker rooms, the restrooms, the coach's office, the pool equipment room, and then also outdoor storage. And then the second building has the concession stand and restrooms for the spectators. We also put covered bleachers on the deck space, and so we've just created a much larger pool area for Centennial.
And I really appreciate having all the input from our athletes, from our coaching staff, being able to be included as a part of this project. The locker rooms are stunning, the office is stunning, the pool is stunning, everything is fit to where it's Centennial standards so that we can keep maintaining that kind of high-level program that we've been hoping to achieve and continuing to achieve. The athletes love these swimsuit dryers. That was definitely one of the highlights for sure.
Yes, we're very excited for our students. This facility here used to be the oldest pool in our district, so we're very excited to have this Olympic-sized pool, and thanks to all our community for our Measure GG dollars, we were able to make this happen, and it's a full aquatic center. I can't wait to have everybody tour it today for our grand opening.
In terms of our whole student body, knowing that we have this state-of-the-art facility that's going to benefit our students and students throughout our district, can't be any prouder. A very proud moment to be a part of this history.
Definitely a big change, and we're excited to all use it. And I think we're hosting league finals this year, so definitely something to look forward to.